Yeah, so we have a very clearly defined ideal or best fit customer profile that we actually work to. So for us, where we found a lot of success, where we consistently are able to find that for our customers, we make them huge amounts of incremental revenue, and that we've never lost a customer. They just, well, I think once they start using Metrical, it's something that they stick with because you can't turn it off. Is that we are looking at customers primarily are in the large apparel or accessory space. Sometimes beauty can be a component of that as well. There are also companies that are pretty heavily dependent on discounts. And that's something that's pretty critical because there's a lot of websites out there like an Apple or other luxury brands out there that aren't doing discounts. And that's a very different customer experience, as is B2B. And so for us, the vertical that we find works the best are ones where they're discount dependent of some type. We also tend to focus on companies of certain sizes. In the past, we played around with a whole bunch of Shopify companies and just found that those were a bit too small, they had too much churn, or there wasn't enough data for our machine learning models to work well enough. And so we typically look at companies that are about $75 million in e-com revenue and above. We go up to the multi-billion. We've got a couple of very big multi-billion dollar retailers that use Metrical. And then the two other criteria are they have over 1,000 SKUs. There needs to be enough differentiation in the product set and why people come and what they do when they come to the website for the machine learning to be able to do something interesting with it. And then finally, somebody that's basically got about 1 million sessions a month. So that's sort of like the main criteria. So when you break down those, it brings down the data set in terms of prospects for us into a nice round 250 size number. But the benefit of that is that it allows us to be very targeted in our approach